Welcome to this GoBright user video. In this video we'll be looking at setting up the week planner. When you're logging into your GoBright portal for the first time, you'll have a splash screen on the left hand side margin that says welcome to week planner, and it says configure your default week. It's up to you, the user, to control this and set up your default week. To start the process, I need to actually create a team so that the week planner has something to mark against when people are going to be into the office. To do that, I can go up to my profile at the top right hand corner of the screen, and I can go to team, and I can add a new team. So this is going to be my training team. And I'm already a member, so I'm going to add in other members, and I can save that. So there's my training team. What that now allows me to do is to drop down to default week, and I can choose my office. Well, I'm going to be working from Rotterdam, and I can choose my team. And now I can choose on a Monday, all day, I'm going to be working from home. On a Tuesday, just in the morning, I'm going to be on the road, and in the afternoon, I'm going to be in the Rotterdam office. I might be doing calls on a Tuesday morning. All day on a Wednesday, then I'm going to be in the office. On a Thursday morning, I'm going to be working remotely. Before, in the afternoon, I'm going to have the time off. And on Friday, all day, I'm going to be working remotely. So I can now save that. And if I go back to my dashboard, my splash screen has disappeared, but I've now got a menu that shows my actual time on this particular day. It shows me that my colleague is in the office as well, but I can also then go to the week planner, and I can see an overview of the week. I can see when people are going to be in the office as well. And so that just allows me a clearer overview of if I want to book a desk into the office, then I know exactly who is going to be in. I can easily go back to my day planner, and that will take me back to my splash screen. Look out for another video that will go into the week planner in greater detail. Thank you for watching this GoBright user support video. If further support is required, please go to our website gobright.com and visit our help centre.